That was last year.
Okay. Well, that ain't too bad, but it's not camping.
There we go.
Whoa!
There we go.
Yes, I certainly got that one. All right, we should hear the horizontal one now. Nowish. There it is.
What was that, like shadow lighting that we were hearing the other day?
It's over. Whoa! Woo!
Woo! Yeah, man.
God dang. I don't know if that was in frame, but wow. Wow.
What the fuck?
What was that? On the other side of the house and close.
No, it's like directly over your head. That cloud.
That was. Good golly. I appreciate the mutual, like, woo, too loud outdoor voicing.
Yeah, lift that shit. So it's on the west side of 35. Ayo!
Oh, it was all up in the cloud.
No, yeah.